I don't know how it's possible. It's so shocking that it's unbelievable because this product. So what's up guys and welcome to my channel over here, and today I'm going to talk about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. Should you really go for and upgrade this phone, or should you really wait for the moment that is it good or not? So first of all, I'm gonna deep dive into this product, that how it's work, and is it really important to you? I don't know how it's possible. It's so shocking that it's unbelievable because this product came with a phone itself and also the tablet. So what I like about this phone, that why you should really go for this phone, because I want to tell you something over here, that I don't want to waste your time watching my videos and like you're just watching my video and I'm just telling you the specification. It's have this processor and this RAM and storage. But let me tell you, why would you upgrade your phone to this Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2? Why? I will say now we move to design, and in this design part, what they did, actually I think the phone hook up with this tablet and now it's become this foldable device. Yeah, because you can use it as a phone also, and you can also use it as a tablet. So for that, why would you go for this phone? So that is the main question you should ask yourself while buying this product, because this phone cost you $2,000, and in that price tag you can buy two iPhones, or at least $1,000 tag phone. You could buy two phones. But why you will pay for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2? Why? So first of all, I will say the productivity is the main key here, because if you want to use everything in one, it's all in one, if I say in short example, so this is a great device because you're using the multitasking way here, and also they focus on screen also. If you see the front screen is grow up from 4.6 inch to 6.2 inch. That's great because now it's literally look like a phone, and also it's have the tablet which is 7-inch screen taller and wider. So that's what I like about this device. So what I'm telling you, this phone is literally taking and eating the piece of laptop, because it's taking the part in the laptop segment. And because of that, because people also use the mobile devices, now they are more comfortable with the mobile devices compared to the laptop. But because of that portability, this phone is also taking the part of the laptop also, and also the part of the phone. And this is the best device, I think. It's actually unbelievable that Samsung decided to design this kind of stuff. They are making this product like kind of portable also, and making this kind of stuff like it's work like a laptop also, and it's work like a phone also, and it's work like a tablet also. So for example, I will say, if you are using phone and now you want to watch anything for the entertainment, as an example as YouTube, or you want to watch my videos and subscribe to my channel, just subscribe to my channel. But if you want to watch videos for the entertainment purpose, then you will go for the laptop instead of that phone. But in this phone, I think the possibilities here that you're gonna fold this device, use it like a tablet for the bigger screen. So that's what important role play here, that you can use it as a tablet also, and you can also use it as a phone also. If you want to do a normal things, like if you want to call someone, then you cannot hold the tablet, but you can hold and fold this phone and use it as a phone and call to your friends and family. But that's what it is. I'm telling you, because don't go for the specification a lot over here, because it's focused on multitasking way and the productivity and the professional ability. I think this phone is much more capable than any phone because of that tablet design and also the front display also. Because of that they provide you dual view technology inside it. Now let me move to the 12. It's having literally like a computer kind of stuff. It's giving you 12 gigabyte of RAM and also giving you 256 gigabyte base storage. It's a base storage, and if you upgrade it you will get 512 gigabyte of storage. So it's little bit moving to the computer kind of stuff. It's going towards a laptop, but you can also use it like a mobile also. So that is the plus point over here. So it's up to you. If you want to only use the phone, then you can go for the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 or any phone. But if you want to use as a laptop also and also for the phone, then this is the best thing I will say, because it's also work like a laptop, as you can see the display. So that's what I like about this phone. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and comment in the comment box and share my videos if you like it. And just bye bye. So bye bye. See you soon.